Hi, I'm Joe, lead engineer at Shawcity, and today I'm going to teach you how to upgrade the firmware on your Tiger XT. Insert the USB into the laptop. Insert the other end of the cable into the Tiger, which can be found behind the instrument. Once the instrument is plugged in, click on Instruments on the left side panel and then click Read. The software will scan and prepare the instrument for the firmware upgrade. Once the scan is complete, it will take you to the instrument summary page. Click on Firmware on the left side panel and then click Send to Instrument. The instrument will now verify the file system and then upgrade the firmware. Once the installation is complete, the instrument will flash and return to sleep mode. Prior to upgrading the firmware, make sure that you have the Tiger PC software. If you don't have it, you can find it in the description below.